I'm Jeff with One Byte Technology. Today we are doing a simple macOS Catalina install on a MacBook Air. This unit has an install, but when we try and log in, the loading bar loads to the end and freezes. So something in the OS is corrupted. The customer has no data on there. So we're just going to nuke it and install from scratch. Now, I've got installers on USB sticks. You could use Apple's Recovery Online, but it's slow to load and it's not very reliable. So I'm booting from a USB stick. Okay, we've loaded from our USB. We're on the utility menu now. There's a couple things we have to check when running from a USB that was created a few months ago. We have to check the date on this unit and make sure that it is accurate. So from the utilities menu, you have to go to Terminal. I know it's hard to see, you can't see this. And all you do is type date, hit enter. So the date showing on mine is March 25th, 2020, which is right, so I know my install is going to work. A lot of the time, for some reason, these units have a incorrect date of a few years ago. Sometimes they're set to 2001. And if you don't check the date before starting this install, sometimes you get the error message right away, but sometimes it'll run for 10-15 minutes before it pops up. So now I'm going into Disk Utility. Let's see if I can zoom in here. And what we want to do is select, I always hit the drop-down menu at the top left and show all devices. And then select your SSD, erase, give your new name. I always call mine Macintosh SSD or Macintosh HDD, and hit erase. So this will work for a second. Alright, so that's finally done. So we're going to close out Disk Utility, and now we're ready to install macOS. So you double click there. And we're ready to install Catalina. So you hit continue, agree, agree, select your drive you're installing on, and hit install. So now this will work on an SSD. It takes 15 minutes, 20 minutes, sometimes less. It's quite fast. On a regular hard drive, it'll go for twice that at least. So now we just have to sit and let it wait.